everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato korokke. Potato korokke is Japanese style potato croquette. It involves deep frying, so you may think this is going to be too much work. But once you know how it tastes, you won't regret trying it. Let's get started. These are what you need. 4 potatoes, 1 onion, 200 ground meat. This is mixture of ground beef and ground pork, but it can be anything. Salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a cup flour, and some panko breadcrumb. I'm cutting the potato first. Let's cut it into this size and put it in a bowl that you can microwave. Put a little bit of water so that it doesn't dry out. Cover it with plastic film and let's microwave it until it's nice and soft. In the meantime, I'm chopping up this onion. So let's cut the top off. Cut it in half with this bottom on. Make some slits. I have chopped onion ready, so let's cook it with this ground meat. I'm heating up frying pan over medium-high heat and it's hot. Let's put meat. You don't need any oil. Fat will come out from the meat. Meat is brown, so let's add chopped onion. Both onion and ground meat is completely cooked, so let's add some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Let's cook it down. When I scrape the frying pan, I don't see any soy sauce left on the skillet, so it's done. Let's turn the heat off and wait for potato. Potato is completely cooked, nice and soft, so let's mash it. And I'm adding this onion and meat in here. Let's give it a nice mix. It's well mixed, so let's take it out on a tray like this with plastic film. It's flat, nice and even. I'm putting another plastic film on top so that it doesn't dry out. Let's cool it down to room temperature and then chill it completely in the fridge. This is completely chilled and cold, so let's make it into korokke. I'm making 8 korokke, so let's cut it into 8 like this. And I have butter and panko breadcrumb ready. This butter is flour and water 1:1. Take one section and I'm making it into a disc shape like this, and let's put this in butter and panko so it's breaded. I have 8 korokke ready to be fried. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Let's check if the temperature is right using this leftover butter. I'll drop some. If it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's perfect temperature. Now I'm putting this breaded korokke into the oil gently. And I'm frying them 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. Now you can see it's browning around the edge. Let's flip them over. The other side is looking good, so let's take them out to drain. And korokke is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!